Oh, come on. No. Oh, no. Okay, hello and welcome to Team Fortress 2. Like you see right there. And we're going to be playing this a lot. A lot. A lot. And I'm new to YouTube, but eh, eh, eh. I'm going to go to my servers and start playing. Okay. So basically, while it's starting, I'm going to tell you about a little about Team Fortress 2. Team Fortress 2 is a massively multiplayer game. You can kill people. That's exciting. Okay, you can shoot people in the face and kill them, and yeah, do everything with them. You can teabag them if you want. But okay, I'm done explaining the game. Okay, let's play. Be sniper. Okay, I'm not that good at this game, but okay. First of all, I know you like scoping me in. Okay, really, just got in the game and you failed. Come at me, bruh. Oh no, you can't catch me. Ah! Stream sounds included. Yeah, no, blue. Blue! That's how you spell blue, but okay. I got pissed in a job, pissed in a job, pissed in a job, pissed in a job. Oh! Okay. So, he's a. Oh, yeah, look at the light. The light is in my face. Ooh. Look at all the freaks. Look at all the FUKC. Look at all the FUKS. Yeah, that's how you spell it. I don't give. They're just falling from the sky. Shoot it. Water machine. Okay, let's actually play now. If I had a face cam right now, you'd be like laughing and screaming, actually. Vazala! Oh, he's in my team. I'm so stupid. Give me attention, baby. Oh, you look like Katy Perry with the pants. Ah! 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 Just use a bow. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm in Steam right now. Team Fortress 2. Team Fortress 2 is free. So you can come play with me in servers. You can add me with this name. This name. Yeah, it's kind of complicated, but who cares? Who got? Who got? Oh, God damn it. Hey, he died. Hey, don't talk bad about Todd. He died for that scenes. Why I only have 2 dots over there. Yeah. Gore spattered tribulus just that was awkward. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm sick, by the way. So you might see my voice like really deep. Because it is deep. I'm 11. And I started YouTube early, so yeah. I don't want any hate comments. Then I'm 11. Because I don't really give a damn. Oh, who got yay? Feeling good. Did you see that arrow go flying? Well, I didn't, 'cause I'm too busy flying an arrow. Oh, oh, no, no, no! Guys. Okay. Yeah. You inspired me, honey boo boo child. Get at me, car. I put 2 headshots already. You better lie down, 'cause I'm gonna get you. 'Cause I'm gonna get you. Mad Hatters. Chicken. Ooh. La 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 la. Yes. Get out of me, Fazaga. Get out of me, asparagus. Sweet potato. What's your favorite fall vegetable? Sweet potato. First we'll need a potato, and then we'll need a sweet potato, and then we'll need a pear. And that's how you make ravioli, nizzers. Ravioli, nigga. Oops, sorry I said that word, because I really felt like saying it, because I say it. I say it because I say it, and I want to say it, because I say it. Say burned. Hi, Demo Man. How has your life been? Fuck around in the pussy. Kidding. Didn't say anything. God. Oh, who got you? Me got you. Na 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 na. I'm walking down the making my way downtown with a sniper rifle. Bada 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 bum. Making my way out of town, walking down, looking with my sniper. Bada 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 bum. Ba bum ba ba bada 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 bum. Get to chicken boo, get me all your brother and the duo. Make you well. Gonna be the Oh na. What's your name? Oh na. What's your name? Oh na. Shut up! It's Rihanna already. God, I already told you like 10 times. Hallelujah. Friggin' nuggets. Frigga nuggets. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Making my way downtown, look what's up. You motherfucker. Bada bum. I came in like a wrecking ball. Dashboard, the Lord, look at the Andy on so got look at God. Allah. In the world, where there was no internet. Ah, it's an apocalypse! It's an apocalypse with no internet! Oh my god, no! Making my way downtown, killed a pie, killed a pyro. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum. Ba-bum, ba-bum-ba-bum. No! Oh, it's right there! Became a dolphin. Making my way downtown. She's gonna make me a sandwich. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum. Ba-dum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum. Making my way downtown with my girl. She's gonna make me a sandwich. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum. Making my way downtown with my bee. She's gonna make me a sandwich. Oh, Nana. What's your name? What? What did he say? I'm gonna be a spy. I'm gonna be a spy with the eternal reward. On the way downtown with my bee. She's gonna make me a sandwich. Bitty 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 bitty. Oh, oh. You stand still already? Run away! Yeah! Guys, I have to end the video now. I'm kidding. Okay, no, I should have done that. Now, I lost 10,000 subscribers now. I don't even have 10,000 subscribers, I just started. My god, man, I wish I had face cam! No! Oh boy, it's a spy. I gotta go. Thank you for watching.